Hello everyone, so welcome you back to Ashok Tutorials. Well, today we are going to solve Series A, Paper 1, Language 2, that is English, alright, which is for 30 marks. So we are going to see what we have here. So question number 1 says that, question number 31 says that the objective of teaching English is to enable the students to master what? To master the literature skills, to master the four language skills, the language skills, the grammatical skills. Now, four language skills means what? Means the reading, writing, and listening and speaking, right? Four skills. So it cannot be. All right, let me take the pen now. I forgot to take the pen. So, all right. So it cannot be. It cannot be only grammatical skills. It cannot be only language skills. Of course, language skills, when we say, it comprises all the four things, right? But then we have a better option, that is four language skills. So this is the B is the correct answer here, right? Now let's go to question number 32. So listening and speaking are what? Listening and speaking are two different processes? No. Isolated processes? No, they are not isolated. Independent? No, they are dependent on one another. So we will choose it as parallel processes. Parallel means they go hand in hand with one another, right? Then let's come to question number 33. 33, all right. So let me pull it down a little bit. Yes, 33. So what does question number 33 says? The chief aim of silent reading is the learning the habit of correct reading. No. The ability to read with speed. No. The improvement of pronunciation. No, because we are not reading it loudly, so how pronunciation will improve here? So the correct answer here is B, that is the absorption of idea of the passage or the text. So this is the correct answer here, right? Now let's come to question number 34. So question number 34 says that activities like singing and rhymes provide good results. Not related. Fun and excitement, of course fun and excitement is provided, but then we have better option than this. Creative learning. No. Total physical response potential. Yes, this is the correct answer here, right? Question number 34's correct answer is C. Now question number 35. Simon says, is a game for the development of writing skills? No. Reading skills? No. Speaking skills? No. It is the listening skill. So whenever you hear the word Simon says, it means a game which improves the listening skill of the learner, right? Now let's come to question number 36. Learning to read is about retention of information for a longer period of time. No. Helping the reader to build a mental representation of a text message. No. Then helping the reader to learn and consider the meanings in a text. See, this is what I feel important. All right, I feel like this should be the correct answer, but then so option number D is the one which I feel to be the correct answer. But then if we go with DERT, this is the correct option. All right. Now let's go to question number 37. What we have. Now let's come to question number 37. Reading the newspaper for getting answers to a particular question or research paper and article reading can be considered as which one? Critical reading? No. Intensive reading? No. Scanning, or I will see skimming. No, the correct answer is scanning here, right? So scanning means reading the newspaper or something for getting the answers to a particular or a specific questions, right? For research paper and article reading. So scanning is the correct option here. All right, now 38. Blank refers to giving a concise overview of a text's main point in your own words. Which one? Analyzing? Not related at all. Prediction? Not related at all. Critiquing? Not related. This is summarization, which means once we finish reading a particular chapter, then we give the summary, right? As teachers, we summarize the chapter in our own words. So that is what they referred to here in this particular question. Now let's go to question number 39. So reading beyond the textbook promotes blending of the students. Does it promote reading skill? Reading beyond the textbook promotes blending of the students. So actually here, reading skill is a correct answer. I mean, correct option. We can consider it, but then we have better than reading skill option there. So we will see that. Writing skills, not at all. So the correct or the best option here will be reading habit. Once the habit, you are forming the habit, good habit of reading, which means you will read beyond the textbooks, which means in addition to textbook you will read newspapers, you will read magazines, right? You will read blogs, etc. All right, let's go to the next question now. Let's come to question number 40 now. Blank is the ability to take clues from a text apart from what we already know from our past experiences to decide what the author means. Does it mean extrapolation? No, it does not mean extrapolation. Does it mean prediction? Not prediction. Does it mean analyzation? Not analyzation. The correct option here is an inference. Alright, so an inference is the ability to take clues from text apart from what we already know, right? Now let's go to question number 41. Writing like blank also involves encoding, which means we put our thoughts and ideas into words. Does it mean reading? No, when we are reading, we are merely reading. Listening? Not listening as well. Not listening. Then editing? No editing here. Then the correct answer here is speaking. Alright, speaking is the correct answer here. Let's go to question number 42 now. It is important to keep the purpose and audience in mind while writing. Alright, sometimes, always, never, none of the above. So these two you can directly cancel it. These are negative. Then always or sometimes. Not sometimes. When we are writing something, we should always think about our audience in our mind. Always. Alright, so always is the correct answer here. Now, learner can encourage to listen to radio programs, podcast, and documentation on television to improve what? Speaking skills? No. Their writing skills? Not related. Their creative skills? Not related again. Their language skills, which means altogether it will be improved when a learner is listening to a podcast or a radio, right? Let's go to the next question. That is question number 44. Question number 44. All right. So oral language can be developed through what? So let us see. Oral language can be developed through what? Singing? No. Can it be developed through calendar reading? No. Can it be developed through mimicry? No, not mimicry. It can be developed through group discussions. When the individuals are engaged in group discussions, their oral language skill improves. Alright, so let's go to the next question now. Let's go to question number 45. So it says reading across the curriculum is also called what? Does it known as reading and writing? No. Is it reading of textbooks? No. Is it curriculum reading? No. The correct answer here is content literacy or active reading. Alright, so this is the correct answer here. Now question number 46. I believe all of you have done it correctly. So a short intimation used in the offices for formal communication purpose is a letter. No, it is not letter. Is it a slogan? No, it is not a slogan. Is it a message? No, it is not a message. The correct answer is which one? The correct answer is the notice. A notice, whenever we officially some information is to be communicated to the teachers, to the students, a notice is given out, right? So this is what it means. So the next question is CD or DVD. Newspaper reading and stories are the classical way of teaching and learning of which skills? Writing skills or reading skills or listening skills or speaking skills. So which one you believe will be the correct answer here? Well, let's cross out the wrong ones now. First one, this writing skills will not be the one. Then again, this reading skill will not be the one. Then speaking skill will also not be the one. The correct answer here will be listening skills. Alright, so DVD, CD, these or newspaper reading and stories are the classical way of teaching and learning of listening skills. Alright, now here let's see which of the following statement is not true. This is a negative sentence, not true. with regard to audience performance reading or fluent oral reading. Number A. It can be practiced when young students join in a repeated reading of a book with memorable phrases or sound effects and aided gesture. This is a correct answer, right? Which means this will be a wrong answer because this is a negative sentence, negative cautions. So it takes place when older students plan how to read passages of a book with expressions before an audience. This is also a correct option, which means this will be a wrong option as well. It leads to engagement in an enjoyment of reading for students. This is also a correct option, but it will be a wrong answer here because the sentence itself is an I mean the question itself is a negative question here. So the correct answer here will be the wrong answer. That is, students read silently in order to comprehend the text. Alright, so this is your correct option here. Now, question number 49. Writing reports on morning assembly, annual school sports, school day, and other school activities is particularly beneficial to what? This will be to whom? This will be an advantageous if we are writing reports on morning assemblies, and also who will be the people here who will have the advantage of this? Parents? No, parents are not related. Teachers only? No. School children only? No again. The correct answer here will be D, that is students and teachers. So both are benefited, right, when we are writing reports on morning assemblies, annual school reports, and also both the teachers as well as the students, they get the benefit here, right? So this is the correct answer here. Now question number 50. Reading comprehension is the ability for what? Now question number 50. So reading comprehension is the ability to reading comprehension is the ability to what? To read fluently? No. To put your ideas into writings? No. To understand the concept of reading? No. Here we are not reading about reading. To understand what you read. Whenever we are solving the comprehension questions, we need to understand the passage or the text or the sentence or the paragraph given there, right? Then only after reading the story or the paragraph we are able to understand and comprehend and analyze, and then we are able to give the correct answers for the questions given at the end of that paragraph, right? Question number 51 is very easy. That is, a letter includes which of the following? So you all have practiced or you all have learned letter writing, right? When we were in class 10, that time only we have learned letter writing. So letter writing involves what? Hello and chit chat? No. Does it involve chatting and texting? No. Does it involve email and WhatsApp? Not at all. It involves salutation, body, and conclusion. So these are the three things which are involved in the letter writing, right? Now question number 52. There is, creative writing is a form of what? So creative writing is a form of dramatic expression? No. Is it creative articulation? No. Is it creative impression? No. The correct option here will be artistic expression. So creative writing is a form of artistic expression, right? Now let's come to question number 53. That is, do not confide your secrets for everyone? No. For in everyone? No. With everyone? No. The best option here will be to everyone. Do not confide your secrets to everyone. Alright, so this is your correct option here. Now 54. Many blank women would welcome such a chance. Many the women? No, this is not applicable. Many and women, this is also not applicable. None of the above? No. The correct option here is A. Many a woman would welcome such a chance. So this is the correct option here, right? A. Now let's come to question number 55, which says that she is blank university professor. Does it mean she is at? Not at all. She is an? Not at all. She is the? Not at all. The correct option here will be she is a university professor. Alright, university professor, which means option number C. Now let's go to question number 56. We are going blank a picnic. We are going into a picnic. No. We are going into a picnic. No. We are going to a picnic. No. We are going on a picnic. No. The correct option here will be we are going for a picnic. We are going for a picnic, which means option number A, right? Now question number 56 is a very good one. That is, discipline is on the wane in schools and colleges nowadays, which means discipline are spiraling? No. Discipline are spreading? No. Disciplines are increasing in school these days? No, the disciplines are declining, which means the disciplines are going down and down in every school and colleges in the current scenario, right? We can see indiscipline, so much of indiscipline among the students these days in our schools and colleges, right? Now, question number 58. His friends advised him to be fair and square in his dealings. So, does it mean careful? No, it does not mean careful. Does it mean considerate? No, considerate. Does it mean polite? Not polite. It means upright. It means straight, right? Straightforward. Now, question number 59. I tried to feel his pulse on the issue, but in vain. Does it mean argue with him? No. Guide him? No. Enlighten him? No. The correct option here is C, that is find his views. Find his views, all right? But now let's come to the last question, that is question number 60. Choose the word closest to abundant. Here the DERT has given the correct option to be B, this one, right? But this is not the correct option according to me, as if I'm not mistaken, this is wrong option chosen by DERT. This is the correct option, that is leave is the correct option here, not forget, not vacate. The correct option here, the word closest to abandon means to leave, right? So this C will be the correct answer here. So this is all in this video. So thank you everyone for watching Ashok Tutorials, Meghalaya's first Mtet channel. Thank you.